हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द क्रैश बोर्ड। इंटरनेट ने आजकल हम सबको थेरेपिस्ट बना दिया। आजकल हमें ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड्स पता है जो थेरेपिस्ट को भी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करने के बाद पता चली। आजकल सबकी जुबान पर वो वर्ड्स है। कोई हमसे ज्यादा लड़ाई करता है तो हम उसको बोल देते हैं कि भाई तू मुझे गैस लाइट कर रहा है। अगर कोई हमसे रूड बिहेव करता है तो हम बोलते हैं तू नार्सिसिस्टिक हो रहा है। तो ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड्स हम लोग बहुत इजीली यूज करने लग गए। सो इन दिस सीरीज वी विल ट्राई टू क्लियर द एयर अबाउट the commonly used terms that shouldn't be so common, and the meaning is not that simple. So the first word for today is gaslighting or gaslight.
Yeah. I think a lot of people को लगता है कि gaslighting means lying or disagreeing or just manipulating someone.
Sometimes somebody is just convincing you about their point of view or just telling their experience or their version of things and you feel like वो आप मुझे gaslight कर रहे हो। ऐसा नहीं होता है। They are just sharing their point of view or what they thought. That's not gaslighting if somebody is just convincing you of something. Gaslighting actually happens when somebody is making you question the reality, making you question what you actually feel, what you actually saw or what actually happened. वो चीज़ें real में हुई है और कोई तुम्हें विश्वास करा रहा है कि नहीं, मतलब तेरे सामने आईफिल टावर नहीं है जबकि तुम उसके सामने खड़े हो। कोई बोल रहा है कि अरे वो नहीं है, वो नहीं है, यहाँ पे खाली रोड है। That's gaslighting.
Long term manipulation technique. It's not like कि आज एक बार हो गया तो like you have gaslit someone. एक proper manipulation takes a
process. It takes time. They build trust with you and then they will know how and when to twist and turn their words to make you believe and question yourself.
Yeah. And a lot of times क्या होता है ना, sometimes people genuinely have bad memory and they forget what they said. So if you're talking to a friend and they tell you that I don't remember saying this, they're not trying to gaslight you all the times, right? It could look like an attempt to gaslight you, but sometimes they actually might not remember what they said. So not everyone is trying to gaslight you.
किसी फाइट में हम कभी कभी किसी को याद दिलाते हैं ना, तूने मुझे ऐसा बोला था, तो वो ये they could have forgotten
obviously,
or they are maybe they are trying to like नहीं भूल जा तू ऐसा नहीं हुआ था, but mostly they could have genuinely forgotten.
You know, like I think काफी movies में भी दिखाया जाता है gaslight. So do you have any movie जहाँ पे गलत like gaslight नहीं हो रहा था but people thought that he was gaslighting?
I think movies के through समझना बहुत easy हो जाएगा सारे terms को, so we'll try to put in examples wherever we can. एंड तो आई थिंक कबीर सिंह एक मूवी थी जिसमें सबको लगता है कि रिलेशनशिप में जब टॉक्सिक पार्टनर होता है तो वो एक्चुअली आपको गैस लाइट कर रहे हैं ताकि आप उनके प्यार में पड़ जाओ, लाइक द गैस लाइटिंग इनटू फॉलिंग इन लव विद समबडी. बट सो एवरीबडी थॉट दैट कबीर सिंह गैस लिट कियारा इनटू काइंड ऑफ falling for him, but that was not the reality.
Yeah, like Kiara knew her reality.
उसको पता था ये बंदा ऐसा है, वो टॉक्सिक है, वो जो भी उसकी गलत आदतें हैं, बिहेवियर्स है, वो आउट इन द ओपन था. उसने कभी डिनाई नहीं किया कि नहीं मैं तो बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूँ, ये सब तो लोग झूठ बोलते हैं मेरे बारे में, रूमर्स है, ऐसा नहीं था. एवरीबडी न्यू.
Like was Kabir Singh toxic? Yes, but was he trying to gaslight her? No, she knew the reality of Kabir Singh
and she still liked him.
Her
choice. But that was not gaslighting. That was just somebody making that kind of a toxic choice for themselves, maybe.
You know, I think one movie जिसमें gaslighting को बहुत अच्छी तरह से represent किया है वो है Gone Girl, जिसमें this character Amy, she gaslights every character possible in the movie, including the police, where she fabricates the evidence, everything. So I think if someone wants to understand what gaslight actually means, can watch the movie Gone Girl. It's an interesting movie.
Gaslighting is actually that. जैसे उस movie में दिखाया है ना, like you said, it's a very interesting movie where you will feel like this person is driving you nuts. जब आप वो मूवी देखोगे तो आपको समझ आएगा कि because they show you the reality, like how she is fabricating the lies and also how other people are believing her, and it'll kind of leave you like ऐसे, you know, just like screeching कि नहीं ये सच नहीं है. Oh my God, वो लोगों को क्या crazy मतलब बुद्धू बना रही है और लोग they are falling for it, and you will feel that stress of like oh my God, this is really somebody who is manipulating other people.
Play with your mind. Literally. The second most common word that people are throwing nowadays is love bomb.
Yeah.
एक गाना भी निकला था, आई थिंक लव बॉम्ब.
उसके बहुत मीम्स
Yeah,
बने थे.
exactly.
बहुत बने थे.
What do you actually think love bombing means?
In today's dating culture, actually people are using this word a lot.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जब आप पहले डेट पे मिलते हो और अगर बंदा आपके लिए फ्लावर्स लाया, आपको पिकअप करने लाया आया है, थोड़ा सा एक दो अच्छे वे में बिहेव कर दिया, तो लोग बोलते ओ स्टार्ट में लव बॉम्ब कर रहा है, बाद में देखना अच्छे से बात नहीं करेगा. बट यू नो दीज एफर्ट्स कुड बी जेन्युइन, और sometimes for some people these efforts could be bare minimum. Maybe the way they were raised, they were taught कि आप हमेशा किसी से मिल रहे हो तो आप उन्हें पिकअप करने जाओ, छोटा सा गिफ्ट लेकर जाओ, अच्छे से बात करो. तो just because यार आप maybe they are giving you a little like good treatment doesn't mean they are love bombing you. Maybe that's how they are. Love bombing is completely different. Now this same thing times 100 and over like a longer period of time, not just for a day or two. That is, I think, genuine love.
So love bombing is actually क्या होता है love bombing में, जब कोई आपको like overly प्यार दे रहा है, but with the intention of manipulating in the future or gaining control over you. That is what love bombing is. Just giving love is not love bombing. It just means that someone loves you. But loving you so that they can gain control over your life is what love bombing actually means.
Yeah.
And you know, have you watched the series You?
Yeah.
It's such a scary series, but I think it's the best example to show what love bombing is.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे the character Joe, if I'm not wrong,
Yeah, Joe.
he starts by like pampering the girls with everything possible, where they feel like they could be the dream girl possible.
Yeah,
You
and
know, like,
उसको तो मतलब he has more than one problem.
Yeah.
You know, the reason why he's able to love bomb them is उसने उनको बहुत ही stalk किया हुआ है,
बहुत ही
so he
stalk.
knows exactly what they like and all that
Exactly.
beforehand. वो अलग चीज है, बट वो सब यूज करके वो उन्हें लव बॉम्ब करता था कि आई नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू लाइक, हाउ यू लाइक थिंग्स, इन गिविंग देम ऑल ऑफ
and
दैट.
later he gained control over their life in terms of their social media, where they are going. He even harmed the girls, right?
Yeah.
So that is what love bombing is. It's not just a friend who is giving you flowers every day. That's not love bombing.
Yeah, like maybe on the first date, if they are like, you are the best person in the world and I want to marry you and I will have your children and you are this and that, like
Yeah.
I think that in the first meeting itself, ki yaar bas you are my world and I've never felt a connection like this.
Yeah.
That could also be like a way of love bombing ki yaar this is too much, you don't know me and itna aage ja rahi hai cheezein. That is love bombing.
Yeah. I think the next word is the most commonly thrown word in 2024. It's delusional.
Yeah.
एक I think वो quote भी था, Delulu is the new Selenium.
Yeah.
People have overused this word and people think that, you know, having unrealistic beliefs is being delusional.
Yeah.
But what exactly is delusional according to you?
Delusion, like the actual delusions, is where you have like massive misunderstandings about things, where you can see the reality is different but you can't believe that it is different, or sometimes you can see things that are not there.
Yeah.
And I'm not just talking about small signs or mixed signals from people, like genuine mental disorders where you are completely not able to accept a situation for what it is.
Yeah. So the next time when a friend comes and tells you that I think the guy likes me, don't call them delusional. Maybe they think that the mixed signal is a yes or a no.
Yeah.
But because delusional is basically as simple as this, like Gautam is right here, but me telling people that नहीं ये तो यहाँ नहीं है. Like I can see her here, yet I'm like ये तो यहाँ नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब उसे नहीं दिख रहा है,
हाँ,
तो
मुझे
she
नहीं
is
दिख रहा है.
deluded at this
Yes.
moment.
Yes.
कि उसको अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो.
Delusion एक बहुत serious mental health concern है. It's not something that people who experience are not enjoying experiencing it. So if you want, you can watch the movie Black Swan, where they actually experience hallucination, where you can understand what delusion actually means, and not like एक crush ने मुझे like किया and I thought they like me more than I thought. So
Yeah, and delusions are not always where say you are seeing things that are not really there.
Yeah.
Not always just that. People in an abusive relationship sometimes cannot see that their partner is abusive.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a mix of this love bombing and gaslighting that happens with them. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि उनका पार्टनर बहुत ज़्यादा अब्यूजिव होता है, टॉक्सिक होता है, शायद उन्हें फिजिकली हार्म भी करता है, लेकिन फिर भी एंड ऑफ द डे वो बोलते हैं नहीं यार वो अच्छा इंसान है. तो दिस वे दे आर delusional, right? But this is a systematic problem. From day one of the relationship, maybe they were love bombed, some fake promises were there. Yeah, whenever they complain about their issues, that person gaslights them into believing अरे नहीं सब लोग ऐसे होते हैं. तो there is that delusion of या बहाने देते हैं. So in the movie Darlings, where Vijay Verma always beats Alia Bhatt physically, but whenever she complains or something, then he love bombs her a lot, or he tells her it's only because of the alcohol.
Even
I
in the
only
movie
hit you.
Animal, I think there
Yeah.
are some instances of like, you know, being the same. Like
Yeah,
love
and they
bombing.
have all these reasons like I did
Yeah.
this because I want to
Yeah.
protect my dad, or I was under the influence of alcohol. Trust me, if I leave alcohol tomorrow, I will stop being physically abusive. I will not
Yeah.
beat you from tomorrow. But that is not all of those reasons. But they keep you in this delusion कि नहीं आदमी अच्छा है इस रीजन के वजह से ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. So these are also some other delusions.
Yeah. I think we have covered love bombing, gaslighting, and delusion. So three very commonly used words. And maybe people can tell us in the comments what are some more words that we can cover in the next video.
We know there are many words that are coming. Even some words that we used while explaining, जैसे toxic वगैरह ऐसे बहुत
Narcissistic.
सारे words हैं
Yeah.
which we know we can explain. But आप लोग भी comments में बता सकते हो some more words, and we will talk about them in the next episode of this series.
Yeah.
Bye, subscribe.
Thank you. Bye bye.